It's that time of the year again. We got to get the grill all cleaned up, ready to go. Especially us guys, you know, us guys, we love to grill. We love to be outdoors. We love the smell of, I don't know, I'm just going to say charring meat, okay? We love the smell of, hey, listen, even grilled vegetables, okay, occasionally, you know what I mean? But it's really all about the meat. All right, so our grill is a Nexgrill. We purchased it about 5 years ago. You can get this grill directly on Amazon. I'm going to provide the link below in the description. All right, so you can click on that link and get right to Amazon and purchase this grill. All right, and it's a fantastic grill. I got to be honest with you. I had it 5 years, but like everything else, it needs maintenance. So what we're going to do at this point in time is we're going to take out all of the interior components and replace them with this kit that we purchased specifically for Nexgrill, okay, off of Amazon. Incredible value, okay. For $35, this came with new runners, all four, because it's a 4-burner grill, okay. 4 brand new stainless steel heat shields, okay. I should say the runners are stainless steel as well, and 4 brand new igniters, okay. This entire kit, mind-blowing, I gotta be honest with you. I thought I was gonna have to spend about $150, $200. This was $35 on Amazon, okay, the entire kit. And what's great about this kit is, as opposed to what shipped from the factory, what shipped from the factory was painted steel components, okay. So although they did last get out of here, Bo. Yo, it's Bo. I gotta just tell you a quick story. That's Bo. Actually, I should say it's the great-great-grandson of Bo. It's a Carpenter B. This is his home, all right? Every single end of April, Bo shows up. Or the son of Bo. It was originally the son of Bo, then the grandson of Bo. This is the great-great-great-grandson of Bo. These things only live for 30 days, apparently, with my research. But this guy shows up every spring. Looks the same. He's buzzes around. It's unbelievable. It's uncanny. But anyway, so we leave him alone. He loves the summer too, okay? Do not, I just want to say this. I know they seem like they're a little nuisance. They buzz around, but they're totally harmless. Leave them alone. They deserve to enjoy their summer as well. All right, so that's that. All right. There he is there with his girlfriend, actually. Anyway, getting back to the grill. We got the Nexgrill. We've got this kit. Like I was saying before, $35. It comes with everything you need to upgrade to stainless steel and replace all the necessary components on the inside, okay? This grill will be like brand new. What we're going to utilize, oh, by the way, I want to let you know, there's a link in the description down below, down over there, to this kit, all right? So click on that link. It'll bring you right to the Amazon page. You'll be able to purchase it right there, okay? Make it nice and easy, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to clean this grill with, of course, our favorite cleaning product, Super Clean, all right? Super Clean at degreaser, all right? Degreaser or degreaser? Did I say degreaser? Degreaser, okay? This degreases, not degleases, all right? So this is our favorite product. I know you've seen us talk about this before. This is my bottle of 100%, okay? Which is about half full at this point. I never really use it at 100%, but we're gonna use it on the grill at 100% because this grill has not been cleaned inside for years, all right? So it's gonna cut through that, and then we're just gonna hose it off. We're not gonna power wash it or anything like that. We do have a power wash, but I gotta be honest with you, with the Super Clean, really no reason to bring out a power washer on this task. Let's get to it! Ah! All right, so let's now take a look at the inside. All right, I've taken the grills off, set them to the side. These are reusable. We're gonna just clean them up really well. Here's the components that I was referring to: the flame shields and the gas runners, the igniters. They're all completely shot, as you can see. From the factory, this unit was shipped with painted steel, so they really rusted out. But frankly, 5 years isn't terrible. So what we're gonna do ultimately is we're gonna disassemble these components here, clean everything up with our of course, our favorite degreaser, Super Clean. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this down with your Super Clean and let it sit for about 15 minutes. You may want to have available a couple of scrubbing brushes, okay, if need be. We probably won't need them, only because, like I said, the Super Clean kind of blows everything away. So we'll see how it goes, though. First thing we're gonna do is take off the flame diffusers or flame covers. You just lift them up. We'll put them aside for now. You can see how rotted out the gas runners are. Okay, so here's where I was talking about that cotter pin. You pull that cotter pin out, you can just bend it. These usually, they sometimes will just snap, but this one is still in really good shape. And that's it. You just pull it out like that, and this runner just lifts off like this. It just comes out. Okay. The only thing that's connected is the igniter. All right. So now we got all 4 runners out. And we disconnected the igniters. The igniters is literally just at the end of each igniter cable. It's just a pull off connection. So you just pull it off. Okay, it's just like a little pull off terminal. Very easy to remove. Okay. Okay, just wanted to show you where that igniter, the leads connect to. Okay, so the igniter button is here. All right, so the back of that is where the leads go into, and they just unplug very easily. Okay, so best way to get those off is there's a couple of screws here, you know, where this connects on either side, on that side as well. Just take those out so you can move this forward a little bit, or you can move it out of the way a little bit, and then you can get right in here and unplug these. Okay, very easily. All right. That's it. You can get an idea of the condition of the interior of this unit. There's a lot of buildup, debris, rust, grease, grime, everything in the bottom. All right, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna spray this down. 100% Super Clean, Super Degreaser, and you can see as I spray it, you can actually see that grease running right off. Okay. Look at that. Look at that degreasing action taking place right in front of us. All right, that's been sitting for about, I don't know, about 20 minutes or so. And I was just going to hose it down. You can see how much residue has come off. Okay, so here I have the unpackaged components that this kit comes with, which actually really blows my mind for about 35 bucks, this entire kit. Okay, of course you can see, like I said, you can see the gas runners, brand new runners. All right, 4 of them, because it's a 4-burner setup. You've got the 4 stainless steel covers, you've got the 4 brand new igniters, and you've got the screws for the igniters. Okay, getting into the igniter wiring, I want to show you. Needle nose plier, you can get right in on here and just pop these right off. There you go, just like that. Okay, very easily. Next one, pop it right off. Next one. Okay, right off. Okay, there's 5 in total. Keep in mind on this unit, because it has the external burner. Okay, so there's an igniter on there as well. So you can see what we got here. Okay. All right, so I got 3. I got the igniters in. I got them wired. Okay, They're just laying there because there's extra length. I'm gonna end up zip tying those, and I'm gonna show you how to put in the last runner. You basically just insert it into where the gas line is. It just lays down over here. That's it. Okay. That's it. All right. So from here, we're going to install or attach the igniters. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do the last igniter. Just going to snake that through. Phillips head screwdriver. There's 2 screws on each one of these igniters, so you can adjust them. You want to get the igniter tip about 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch away from the gas tube or the gas runner. Okay, we can test that by hitting the ignition switch. Good. All right, we got the fuel rails installed, igniters installed, we got everything calibrated here, and we got the gas hooked up. Let's see, let's give it a test. There you go. Beautiful. Back in action. Just in time for the grilling season. Gonna be grilling a lot of lean protein on this bad boy. Lean and not so lean protein. We're gonna do some steaks, sausage. We'll do some grilled chicken. We'll do some fish, whatnot, peche. It's gonna be beautiful. By the way, this is the original grill that it came with. All I had to do with this was scrub it down. I sprayed a little bit of super clean on there, let it sit for about an hour, all right, because that was like caked on. And then after that, I hit it with the power washer, cleaned it right off. It's like it's ready to go. All right, so we're just going to burn that off for about a half an hour before we use it. Might have noticed I have the tank on the outside. This unit does allow for the tank on the inside. Okay. I don't, frankly, for safety reasons, I like to keep it on the outside. All right. I like to put a drip pan in the bottom over here. Okay. You could also use like tin foil or whatever. You know, that way, you know, God forbid, the way I look at it is better safe than sorry. All right. Because if you do have a grease fire and the tank is on the inside, you could have a big problem. Okay. So I like to keep it on the outside, where it's nice and safe. All right. So when you finish, you make sure you turn off all the dials. Okay, there you go. And you turn off the valve 100%. All right, and that's it. Now it'll be safe. All right. All right, Paulie D, United Jack Nation. Have a great and safe grilling season, and stay jacked, my friends. Yo, Paulie D, United Jack Nation. So before you go out and spend another $250 plus tax or whatnot on a new grill with a little elbow grease and some super clean super degreaser, you could do this job yourself. All right, no need to have somebody do it for you. Very simple. Like I said, I did it in about an hour. Cost me $35, $40 with tax for the kit on Amazon. So I have links to all of the products that I use today in the description below. Okay, so check them out, click on them, they'll bring you right to the products. Okay, if you need a new grill, the link is there too. But if you can get away with spending the $35 plus tax, get yourself the kit and rebuild it yourself.